Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to blackdesign.com and scroll down and click the download button. Choose your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Then, fill out the information. You'll be asked to fill your name, email, and location. After submitting, the download will begin automatically. And once the file is downloaded, on Windows, it runs in .exe installer and follow the setup wizard, while on Mac, open the DMG file and drag DaVinci Resolve to your application folder. And after installation, open DaVinci Resolve from your Start menu or application and start a new project and explore the workspace. And that's how to download and install DaVinci Resolve in your Mac or Windows. Thanks for watching.